Hey there, thrill seekers! Welcome back to the channel where we defy gravity and take you on jaw-dropping adventures. Today, we're going to talk about riding techniques for top-heavy bikes. Whether you're cruising on a cruiser or adventuring on an adventure bike, mastering these techniques can make your ride smoother and safer. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Technique number 1. Safety first. Gear up. Absolutely, safety should always be the top priority when riding a motorcycle, especially when practicing emergency braking or any other maneuvers. Before hitting the road, it's crucial to gear up properly to protect yourself in case of a fall or collision. A DOT-approved helmet is the single most important piece of safety gear for motorcyclists. It protects your head and brain in the event of a crash and can prevent serious injury or even death. Make sure your helmet fits snugly and securely, with no gaps or looseness. Wear abrasion-resistant clothing to protect your skin from road rash in case of a slide or fall. This includes a durable jacket, pants, gloves, and boots specifically designed for motorcycle riding. Look for gear made from materials like leather or reinforced textiles for maximum protection. Whether it's a full-face helmet with a built-in visor or a separate pair of goggles or sunglasses, always wear eye protection to shield your eyes from wind, debris, and insects. Clear or tinted lenses can improve visibility and reduce glare in different riding conditions. Technique number 2. Understanding the physics and mastering balance. Balance, balance, balance. It's the ultimate key to conquering top-heavy bikes. Practice your body positioning, shifting your weight intuitively to counterbalance any wobbles that may come your way. Remember, it's all about being one with the bike. The center of gravity, CG, is a crucial concept in physics and engineering, especially when it comes to understanding the stability and balance of objects. It refers to the point where the entire weight of an object can be considered to act. In simpler terms, it's the point around which an object's mass is evenly distributed in all directions. For motorcycles, including top-heavy bikes, the center of gravity plays a significant role in how they handle and maneuver. A higher center of gravity means that more weight is located higher up on the bike, making it more prone to tipping over or becoming unstable, especially during low-speed maneuvers or sudden changes in direction. Riders need to be mindful of the motorcycle's center of gravity and how it affects their riding. Proper body positioning, smooth throttle control, and precise steering inputs can help keep the bike balanced and stable, even in challenging situations. Understanding and respecting the center of gravity is essential for safe and confident riding. Technique number 3. Leaning techniques. Leaning is where the magic happens. When taking sharp turns, gently lean your body and bike into the curve. Trust me, it feels like flying. Keep your eyes on the road, imagine yourself as a majestic bird, and embrace the exhilaration of defying gravity. Counter-steering is a technique used to initiate turns by briefly steering the handlebars in the opposite direction of the intended turn. This causes the motorcycle to lean into the turn, allowing riders to navigate corners more effectively and with greater precision. Leaning the bike properly through turns increases tire traction and improves stability by maximizing the contact patch between the tires and the road surface. This helps prevent loss of traction and reduces the risk of skidding or sliding, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Leaning techniques enable riders to maneuver through tight spaces and negotiate obstacles with greater ease and precision. By leaning the bike and using body positioning to control balance, riders can navigate congested traffic, make quick lane changes, and avoid potential hazards more effectively. Technique number 4. Controlled braking. Do you enjoy thrilling stops? Mastering controlled braking is a must. Even though our bikes may be top-heavy, our braking technique should be precise, smooth, and controlled. Get the hang of using both brakes simultaneously while maintaining balance. It's a game changer in emergencies such as sudden obstacles, road hazards, or unexpected stops by other vehicles. Controlled braking allows riders to slow down or stop quickly and safely to avoid a collision. Being able to brake effectively in these situations can make the difference between a near miss and a serious accident. Controlled braking is crucial when navigating corners or curves, especially at higher speeds. Proper braking technique combined with smooth throttle control and body positioning, helps riders maintain stability and control while slowing down or adjusting their speed through a turn. Technique number 5. Acceleration and power. When you need to pass another vehicle on the road, having sufficient acceleration and power allows you to quickly and safely maneuver around them. This is particularly important on highways and busy roads where passing opportunities may be limited. Merging. When merging onto a highway or entering traffic from a side road, having the ability to accelerate quickly helps you match the speed of other vehicles and merge smoothly into the flow of traffic. This reduces the risk of collisions and improves overall traffic flow. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more gravity-defying videos. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the thrill side up. Stay daring, my friends!